Okay, so welcome back to rhombus. Now let's try some question on the angular 2D figure. Okay, so here it is the first question. If an isosceles triangle कहाँ तू जा रहा है? रुको भी. If an isosceles triangle, रुक 5 मिनट, is having the perimeter 32 centimeter and equal sides of 18 centimeter, then calculate its area. Okay, so let's solve this question. It is given that for isosceles triangle, let this is a triangle and this side is equal, so each measurement is of 18 centimeter. Okay, so perimeter is equal to what? The perimeter of the isosceles triangle, that is equal to what? 2a plus b. Let this side are equal of a and the other is the base. So 2a plus b, and 2a plus b, it is given that this is equal to what? 32 centimeter. The value of a is 18 centimeter. So 2 into 18 plus b. Okay. So 2 into 18 plus b, that is equal to 32 na? Okay, 32 centimeter. But I think it becomes wrong because the value of b become negative. So let's see. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 32 centimeter. So and equal sides of 18 centimeter. No, this is not 32, this is 52 centimeter. So that becomes 36 plus b is equal to 52 centimeter. Now the value of b is equal to what? 16 centimeter. Now then calculate its area. So area of isosceles triangle, that is equal to b by 4 root under 4a square minus b a square. Okay, so area of isosceles triangle, that will equal to b by 4. Now what is the value of b? That is 16. So 16 by 4 root under 4a square, that means 4 into 18 a square minus b is equal to 16, so 16 a square, and on calculating this you will get 4 root under 16 a square, and from here it become what? 18 a square minus 16 a square minus 16 a square. Now on calculating the value, 144, I think this become 224 into 4, 96 root under minus 256 of 4. So 4 root under 0 and 104. ये आपका आंसर आएगा इतना मीटर स्क्वायर और सेंटीमीटर, ओके, सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. the height of a right angle triangle is 24 root 5 centimeter. So here right angle triangle and height is provided, height is equal to 24 root 5 centimeter. Okay, and its base is 16 root 5 centimeter. You need to calculate the area of the triangle. So area become what? 1 by 2 into b into h, and that is equal to 1 by 2 into 24 root 5 into 16 root 5. So 2, 12, 12, 5 just 60, and 60 into 960 centimeter square will be the correct answer. Okay. Now here it is given that the diagonal of a square is 15 root 2 centimeter, then its area is equal to what? Area is equal to what? So the dia of a square is 15 root 2 centimeter. So that become, this is a dia, this is a dia, sorry, diagonal. So this is a diagonal, this is a diagonal. Diagonal means what? D of a square, that is equal to root under a square plus a square. So root under 2a square. Now d is equal to d, so you will get 15 root 2. So this become a root 2 is equal to 15 root 2. So root 2 to root 2 cancel. The value of the sides is equal to 15 centimeter. Now calculate the area, that is a into a. So that become 15 into 15, that is equal to 225 centimeter square. Okay. Now the perimeter of a rectangle having area equal to 144 centimeter and the sides ratio of 4:9. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to what? If the area is equal to 144 and sides ratio is equal to 4:9. Okay na? So that become area is equal to 144. When area is equal to 144, so let side be what? 4 of 9. So let sides is 4x and other side is 9x. So 4x into 9x, that become the area. Okay na? So that become the area. So 4x into 9x is equal to 144. Now x square is equal to 36. So I think 36 4 ja. So x is equal to 2 centimeter. So therefore L is equal to 4x and that is equal to 8, and B is equal to 9x and that is equal to 18. Okay. Now you need to find out the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. You will get the value 2 into 18 plus 8, that is equal to 26, and this is equal to 52 centimeter. Okay. So now here it is another question. The adjacent side of a parallelogram at 36 and 27 centimeter. Okay, let's come to the parallelogram. So suppose that this is a parallelogram and their adjacent side is 36 and 27 centimeter. Okay. If the distance between the shorter side is 12 centimeter, if the distance between the shorter side, parallelogram, this is not a parallelogram, this is a trapezium, sorry. So suppose that this is a parallelogram, okay, and it is given that 36 centimeter and this is equal to what? 27 centimeter. The distance between the shorter and longer is equal to what? 12 centimeter. It is clear? So value of h is equal to 12 centimeter. So you need to find out the value between the longer side, that is 36 to 36. What will be the value of this? So let this is capital H. It is clear? So area of parallelogram, area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram is equal to what? Base into height, 27 into 12. Okay, so that will equal to 54 and 270, 324 centimeter square. And this area must be equal from this side if this base is equal. Okay, if this base is taken. So for another base, area of parallelogram must be equal to 36 into height. Okay, for this greater sides, the height is what? H. So area of parallelogram from this side must be equal to 36 into h. On putting the value 36 into h, area is equal to area, so that become 324. Not 36 4 ja 6 4 ja 24, no 4 9 ja and 4 8 1, so 9 9 ja. So height between the longer side is equal to what? 9 centimeter. Okay. So आज का जो इजी क्वेश्चन का सीरीज था हमने कुछ प्रैक्टिस किया, अब नेक्स्ट सीरीज में और देखेंगे इसे. थैंक यू.